Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're joining us from. My name is David Achom, and something powerful is going to happen today. Something very powerful is going to happen today. I didn't want to share what I'll be sharing with you guys because uh, actually I did contemplate. So I was contemplating if I should share or not. But I think it's high time I shared. All right. I think it's high time I shared. Um, There's just going to be nothing short of power. So it's going to be impactful. However, you know how we do it. Drop in the comment section, where are you joining us from right now? Where are you joining us from right now? I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. Where are you? Where are you joining us from? Where are you joining us from? Let's go through the chat box very quickly. Let's go through the chat box very quickly. I came here first. Amazing. I'm second, third, locked in and active. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Kelvin. I'm third, active. I'm the fourth man in the house. Active. About to make some money. Good morning, Joshua. Yeah. Good morning, Samuel. Bales University of Technology. Crazy Peeps FX. Good morning from Port Harcourt. Uganda, Habab Bumba. Koliola Victor. Johnson Olamide. Alausa Ikeja. Kampala, Uganda, KZ World, Abuja, Abia State. Keep dropping your location in chat box. I want to know where you are joining us from actually. Lagos, Nigeria, Port Harcourt, Chidinma Daniela, Lagos, Wisdom Adams, Abuja. By the way, Wisdom, I'll be in Abuja later in the month. So you guys in Abuja, let's see. I'll send the location so that all of you guys can come over to where I will be. Let's meet when I'm in Abuja. Can't wait to see you at Trade Fest. Yeah, Trade Fest. I'll be at Trade Fest in March also. Good morning, mentor. Good morning, fabulous. Happy New Year. IB City, Ibadan. Chibuke, Prince Anyang from Chibuka, Prince Anyang from Lagos, Nigeria. Amazing. Akure, good morning, coach. You can come to Lagos. Oh yeah, definitely. So in Lagos, I'm going to be hosting the biggest finance festival in October. All right. So you guys that are not in Lagos, set your alarm, set your calendar, whatnot and whatnot. Just make sure that in November, just make sure that in November you are going to be, present. Just make sure that in November you're going to be present. Just set all the alarms and whatnot possible. But in Lagos, I promise we're going to be hosting the biggest finance festival by October. Yeah, by October. By the way, I'm in my house, but I'm in my home office. If I was in the office, you know by the backgrounds, it's different over there. But I like doing my Monday live session from my house because it is a Monday morning and I'm not in a hurry to run to work to submit to any boss. By the way, I don't have any boss I submit to. I love you too, crazy peeps. I love you too, don't worry. Good morning, Abubakar Tofa, Kano State. I've never been to Kano State. Funny enough, I've been to Kaduna. I've been to Bauchi. I've been to Jos. I've never been to Kano, but I will someday. Bethel, the worry boy. It's been long, sir. I misplaced my phone. Oh, Bethel, sorry, but thank God you've gotten your phone back. Okay, so you know what you will do, all of you guys, go to the group chats and type "we are live" so that everybody can come here. Those that are not here can come here. Go to the group chat right now and type "we are live, we are live, we are live." So you guys, we can fill up this place. Just go and write "we are live, we are live, we are live." See, sir, drop some oil on my head. Receive it now. Oh my God. Oh my God. No, but the thing, God made a promise to me that whoever, and I'm serious, this is a promise He made, whoever I teach, they're going to get it. Like they're going to learn it. Have you guys observed that there's nothing I've taught that you have not understood? Just think, over the last 4 years, I've been teaching Forex. At least I know I've been actively teaching Forex since 2021 to date. Over the last 4 years, is there anything I've been teaching that you have not understood? No. It's because I'm running with a word. I'm running with a promise. Do you understand? I'm serious. For me, I know. Me, I know that there's nothing I'll teach you that you will not understand. Me, I know. So my own work is to teach you, and your own work is to be present at the class. But will you understand? Definitely you will. Because I'm running with a promise. I'm running with a promise. I'm running with a promise. I know whatever I teach you, you're going to understand. So the oil is there already. Ever active. Have you been to the east before? Yeah. I've been to Owerri about 3 4 times. I've been to, well, we can say Port Harcourt is south, not east. But yeah. I've been to Abia State. I slept at Abia State one day like that. I slept up at Anambra. Yeah. Um I slept at Anambra one day like that also. I know I slept at Anambra. I've been to Enugu, but I didn't sleep there. I just stayed there afternoon and I left in the evening. But I've been to a few eastern states. But the one that I know that I've stayed for at least cumulatively now over a month, meaning 2 weeks here, 1 week here, 2 weeks here, 1 week here, is Owerri, Imo State. That's my hometown, by the way. Kano is the nicest city in the north. Oh, really? I didn't know actually. That means I need to add Kano to my bucket list. I need to add Kano to my bucket list. Good morning from Worry. I bought a 3K live account from 10 Trade. Oh, okay. That's nice. That's nice. If you use my discount code, David Achom, capital letter all throughout, if you use it, then you should get a discount, or you should get, at least you should get priority responses to your complaints or whatnot and whatnot and whatnot. If you used it, okay. Um, but yeah. So what I want to do now is I want to go live on I want to go live on my Instagram just for 2 seconds. So I want to go live for like maybe 1 minute, just so that people can know that we are live on what's the word now? Live on YouTube here. So let me drop my phone somewhere good. And 3 2 1 action. Okay, so I'm now live on both Instagram and YouTube. But I'll turn off the Instagram very soon. I just want them to know that we are live on YouTube, so you guys can join us live right now on YouTube. I'm teaching something powerful. It's a secret I've not shared before. I'm live on YouTube, so all you need to do is to go to YouTube and just search for David Achom, and it's going to come out. Okay, Patrick, my bro, good to see you. Good to see you, my bro. So I'm live on YouTube actually. I only came live on Instagram so that you can know that there's something going on YouTube. But I'm live on YouTube and not on Instagram. So I'll turn off this live session right now. Kelvin, good to see you also. Oh, sharp, sharp, sharp. You see, I have active community across board. On YouTube, yeah, we've been live for the last 17 minutes and we are about to share some secrets. So you guys, please just go to YouTube and search for David Achom. All right, and you're going to see the live video. Just go there, search for David Achom, and you're going to see the live video. Amazing. Just run to YouTube now because I'm teaching Forex for free. Aside that, I'm sharing a secret that I've not shared. I'm serious. I'm very sure. When I say it, you guys will be like, oh, wow, I've not shared it before. And I don't think I will share it after now. I don't think so. I'm going to share a secret that I don't think I've shared before, and I don't think I'll share it after now because it's quite personal to me. So if you really are interested in hearing that and whatnot, come to YouTube. Just go to YouTube right now. I'm live on YouTube. I'll come back live on Instagram much later, but right now I'm only trying to tell you that every single Monday at 8 a.m. I go live on YouTube every single Monday at 8 a.m. And after this YouTube live, immediately I'll jump on live on Instagram for another 20 minutes to just chit chat and whatnot and whatnot. But till then, see you guys later. I'm not going to save this live, by the way. The one I will save is the one I'll come on live on later on. So have a good day, you guys, on Instagram. Bye bye. Come to YouTube if you want to hear anything. At least I've told them that they should come to YouTube. Nobody will ask me for anything again. Oh, la 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 la. All right, guys. Yeah. So now we are on YouTube. So someone said you deleted your free courses in the elevator trading site. Well, so we didn't delete it. You only have to research and you'll find it. But let me just help you find it very quickly. Let me help you find this very quickly. So for the free course on YouTube, I posted it here. Posted it in the comment section. The course is still free. The only thing is that you have to find it, and I've helped you with the link for it. Okay. Please, boss, what's the name of the group chat on WhatsApp and Telegram? Okay, so the Telegram group link right now is on display. It's displaying right now. So click on t.me/elevator signals and you will jump on the, or you can just do elevatortrading.org/telegram or telegram.elevatortrading.org and it's take you to the Telegram channel. Yeah, you can do that, or you just type what is showing on your screen right now to go to the Telegram channel. All right, all right, all right. So my brother here is saying, when are you coming to Uganda? To be very honest, I didn't have that in plan, but I have Patrick the bassist. Patrick the bassist would fix my flights, would fix my travel, my hotel, fix my security, fix the logistics and everything. He has a company that does that. So whenever he's ready for us, I'm ready. As long as you guys in Uganda can promise me that they are 50 active traders, just get 50 active traders and show me that they all have an account with 10 trade, and I'll come to Uganda. It's a promise. Get me 50 active traders that have accounts with 10 trade. Minimum 10K account. 3K account, no problem, but at least 10K account. Get your 10K account. Just 50 of you guys using the discount code David Achom so you can get a discount. You just do that, and I will come to Uganda. Patrick will book all the flight itinerary, all the accommodation, all the vehicle, logistics, security. Patrick will handle it. He's a very great and powerful man, and I trust him with all my life. Yes, sir. He's the one I can trust with my life. Yeah. So he's on the call right now. I know that he is on the call right now. So if you want to see me in Uganda, you guys write, please, Patrick, help us. You write, Patrick, help us. Patrick will do something. Owerri, yeah, Owerri is a very beautiful hometown actually. So please teach us the best today because I'm confused about trading these days. Help me to understand. Don't worry, two things I'm teaching you today. I'm teaching you my strategy. I'll break it down for you here on the call. Don't worry. The second thing I'm going to teach you, I'm going to say is the secret that um actually see I want to tell you, I want to tell you my trading numbers. That's just it. I want to tell you. I actually want to tell you my trading numbers, profits, losses, at least over the last 3, 4 years. I want to tell you how much I've made and how much I've lost. And I've not said it before anywhere. You cannot hear that number anywhere. And I don't think I'll say it again after now. But I'm going to tell you that today on the call. Don't worry, it's not $95 million. It is not $95 million. Don't worry. If you get the joke, you get the joke. If you don't get the joke, just keep it in your pocket and go and check Twitter. You get the joke afterwards. Patrick, good to see you, my brother. Good to see you, my brother. I love you so much and I appreciate you for always, always coming through a dime minute. You help us with, all the sweet stuff. Um, Fly Spendy CEO, actually, he is Fly Spendy CEO. The WhatsApp group link, please. Okay, so for WhatsApp, just write the whatsapp.elevatortrading.org. whatsapp.elevatortrading.org. It will take you to the WhatsApp group automatically. So if you want the WhatsApp group link, this is it. It will take you directly to the WhatsApp group. whatsapp.elevatortrading.org. It's going to take you directly to the WhatsApp group. Telegram.elevatortrading.org will take you directly to the Telegram. Instagram.elevatortrading.org will take you to our Instagram. YouTube.elevatortrading.org will take you to our YouTube and whatnot and whatnot and whatnot. Yeah. So that's how easy it is. In our ecosystem, everything is just interconnected and whatnot and whatnot. Okay. Oh my God. Um. So let's start from um. Let's start from the trading strategy. So I'm sending the strategy over again. But let me see. It says, please share your Fibonacci settings. You shared it twice before throughout all this while I've been following you, but your screen wasn't bright. Please share again in HD quality. Hmm. Okay. Okay. No problem. So those of you that want to learn Forex, those of you that want to learn Forex for free, 100% free. Yeah, the link is on your screen right now. Forex 100% free. The link is showing on your screen right now. Forex 100% free. And I'm serious, 100% free. There's no hidden charge. 100% free. 100% free. All right. 100% free. There's no hidden charge on that. Okay. Um. Away from that, it says I have $100 accounts. Follow search that use. Can I be honest with you guys? I was telling them yesterday. So some Ghanaians, I was on a Zoom call with some Ghanaians, about 80 of them, about 80 Ghanaians on the Zoom call. And I told them, I said, um, what you need is leverage. I'm sure you guys are surprised. I told them what you need is leverage. So if you have $100, instead of trading your $100 and making 10%, which is $10, use that $100 to buy a 3K live account on 10 trade. Make the same 10%. And 10% of 3,000 is 300. Leverage the same amount, just different profits because of different leverage. Same amount, different profits because of what? Different leverage. So if you're here thinking, I have $100 account, what should I do? Look for $10 extra. Join it, it will be $110. Go on 10 trade and buy $100 account. That's a $3,000 live account. Yeah, use the discount code David Achom. Just use the discount code David Achom. Mm-hmm. And guess what? Make the same 10%, the exact same 10% target. And you will see that 10% is different from 10%. The same 10% target you're making on that and you make it here, it's different. It's different. The same 10% target. The same 10% target, not a different one. The exact same 10% target. The exact same 10% target. So I want you guys to change your mind, you know, let your mind be in the right place. Change your mind. Let your mind sit at the right zone. Change your mind. Okay? One else, just relax. For now, no trading setup. Let me teach you my strategy. Okay? Hold on, let me go to Telegram right now to pull out the strategy. Let me go to Telegram right now to pull out the strategy. So the strategy is, yeah, 4 hours, this, 1 hour, this. So I've sent the strategy to the Telegram group. You guys that are on the Telegram group will see it right now. Then I'm sending it right now to the WhatsApp group. You guys on the WhatsApp group, you'll see it now. Also, all right. So I'm sure you guys can see it on the WhatsApp group, and those on the Telegram can see it too. Please, okay. Let me send to the. Let me send to the Campus Ambassadors group. Now, normally I'm not supposed to send it to this Campus Ambassadors group because I already told them all to join the general group. But should in case they didn't join, um, that's why I'm sending it, just in case they forgot to join. Just in case they forgot to join. But yeah, so can I buy the same account of 10 trades in Uganda? Yes, brother. Any country except the US. But the US, there's a way we have gone around this. We have a hack, but except the US. How do we get more information about this 10 trade? You don't need more information. If you trust David Achom, buy 10 trade. I'm not going to give you something that is scam. Don't worry. I'm not going to introduce a scam project to you. Okay, 10 trade has been in existence for how many years now? Going to 4 years. This is our third year in operation. Um, Yeah, so you can be rest assured I'm not giving you a scam. You don't need more information, just go and buy the account. And if you want to buy the account, go to 10trade.com. Go to tentrade.com and the discount code David Achom. Just go to tentrade.com. If you need more information and you want to, or what's the word, you want to buy an account, just go to tentrade.com and you will get it. Now let's go into the charts. I've shared with you my signal and my strategy. Let me paste it here again so that we can look at it together. Okay, so I just divided it across board. So but you guys go to the channel, you see that I've pasted it there. Now let's start the strategy. All right, now the strategy says, first of all, on the 4-hour time frame, strategy says on the 4-hour time frame, draw structural zones, highs and lows. Draw structural zones, highs and lows. So let's do that quickly. Draw structural zones, highs and lows. Draw structural zones, highs and lows. Now let's do that. So I like to compress my chart to the point where it is not looking too tight anymore. So I think this is okay. So based on structure now, let's draw highs and lows. This is a low I can see. This is a high. This is a low, this is a high. This is a low, this is a high. This is not the low because it's not lower than this one. So this is the low, and then this is a high, right? Then we cannot say this low because this low give us like this low is not significant. Now you have to consider this high. This low is most in this low now and this low. Which one is more significant? This is a significant low, right? After this high, and then this is a high, right? Good. And then this is a low. So overall, you see that so far we've still been in a downtrend, except that okay, yeah, this is a low, and this is a new high. This high now broke above this high. Are you with me? This new high broke above the previous high. And once there's a break above on a higher time frame, you can already tell that is signaling a bullish move. Are you with me? It's signaling a what? A bullish move. Now this high, this low, then this high is higher. Now we don't have a low because this low has not given us a new high. Price may choose to come lower from here, and our price is still allowed to do that. So right now we are stuck in between this low and this high. So let's draw it out very quickly. We are stuck in between this low and this high. This low and this high, and this is the low we are talking about. That's the high rather, and this is the low. So we have done the first instruction, draw structural level highs and lows, and we have done the low and the high. If you understand what I just did, at least you understand how I got this low and this high. Drop 777 in the chat box. If you understand how I got this low and this high, drop 777 in the chat box. If you understand how I got the low and the high, drop 777 in the chat box. If you understand how I got the low and the high, drop 777 in the chat box. Hey, all in football. How are you? Hey, Stax Mulu from Zambia. Good to see you, brother. 77777777777. Amazing. If you don't understand, drop 555. And please, if you don't understand because you are just starting Forex from beginning, don't drop 555. That one you have to go and watch the free course. You're just using this to get information, but you don't need to understand the information you're getting. If you are new to Forex and you don't understand, it's okay. Go and watch that free course that I gave you guys. But if you are not new to Forex, you have been trading Forex for a while and you don't understand how I got the low and the high, drop 555. You have been trading Forex for a while, yet you don't understand how I got this low and this high right now, drop 555. You are new to Forex and you don't understand how I got the low and the high, drop 555. You are not new to Forex. Like, if you are new to Forex and you don't understand how I got it, it's okay. You don't need to understand it. But if you have been trading Forex for a while and you don't understand it, put 555. Fabulous Venture does not understand. Crazy Peeps does not understand. Okay, so let me try and explain all over again. So I was drawing out market structural zones, right? And based on market structure, this is a high, this is a low, 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 this is a high, this is a low right here, and then this is a high. Because everything is still a downtrend, price has not broken above the previous high, right? And then this is a low, right? Everything has been going well, price has not broken previous high. All of a sudden, price comes here and breaks the previous high. It means we are about to start an uptrend. But we cannot now say this is our next low because guess what? Price has not formed a new high. We can only say this is our next low if price formed a new high. If a new high has been formed higher than this high now, we can say this is our low. But no high has been formed. So we can't say this is our low. Are you with me? That's why I said right now we are stuck in between this low and this high. So that's how I got it. Those two people that wrote 555, if you still don't understand, put 555 again, type it again. But if you now understand, put 777. That's only I'm speaking to Fabulous Venture and Crazy Peeps FX. Bison, welcome my boy, welcome my boy, welcome my boy. If you still don't understand, put 555. If you now understand, put 777. Okay, Fabulous Venture put 55 before and now he put 77. That means he understands now. How about Crazy Peeps? Crazy Peeps. Crazy Peeps FX. We are waiting for you. Do you still not understand or you now understand? Crazy Peeps 777. Amazing. That means he now understands. Now let's go to the next thing. The next instruction according to the strategy. It says what? Next instruction according to the strategy. It says identify confluence areas, preferably change to a line chart to reduce the noise on the chart. Preferably change to a line chart to reduce the noise on the chart. It says change to a line chart. This is a line chart. And the aim is so we can reduce the noise. Right now, it says that we should identify confluence areas. And I taught you guys confluence areas are areas in the market where we have that curve. You see all these edges. All these edges. If you have them multiple times, all these edges, anywhere it is sitting like 3-4 curves at the same time, that's the confluence area. Do you understand what I just said? That's the confluence area. So, and I told you how we identify confluence areas. We identify in between the zone 2 areas, above the zone 1 area, below the zone 1 area. Total of 4 areas. What did I say? In between the zone 2 areas, above the zone 1 area, below the zone 1 area. Now the two in between the zone, if they are both above price, then do one more below price. So it can be 2 or 3 below in between the zone. but let's at least one be above and one be below price. Like this is where price is right now. So any area I'm picking, one must be above, one must be below, or two above, one below, whichever one. Then out of these green lines, one must be up, one must be down. And I'll tell you why I set those things. Those lines are what I use for my take profits, my stop loss, my whatever and whatever and whatever. Those are the lines I use. Okay, but let's pick them first. Conference areas. So price touch here one, touch here two, touch here three, touch here four, and this is below price. So this is good. Number one is looking good. This is one. So let's check in time pass if there's a third. Oh, apparently there is a third. Third was in December. See third year, see fourth year. Okay. Same with this. There's a third, there's a fourth. Okay. So it means those two areas are good areas. I like those two areas. That's just what it means. That's the conclusion. That's the conclusion, that those two areas are good areas. So let's lock them. Lock, lock. The essence we lock is so that we don't mistakenly move it around. Just so we don't mistakenly what? Move it around. Now, we have picked two below price. Let's pick one below the zone. Then we'll go to the ones above the zone now after this. So this one looks good. This is first touch, second touch. Now let's go back in time. Let's go back in time. Going back in time. Going back in time, we have not really seen. Going back in time, we've not really seen. Okay, I've seen February 2023, a major curve here. Then all year, a major curve again. Okay, so that zone looks good. This is a very major curve actually. Oh my god, see the massive dump that happened at this curve here. February 2023, major dump. And look at it, every time price came close to that place, it fell, came above it, it went up. It means that place is actually a good zone. See, every time price tapped it, it fell down, fell down, fell down. It means that place is actually a good zone. So we have three zones already. All right. We have three zones below price. Now let's go above price and pick zones. Okay. Now let's go and pick zones that are above price. We pick three again, just like we did in the ones below price. First touch, second touch, third touch. This is okay. One. Remember, we're picking three. First touch, second touch. Now let's go back in time. Same thing we've been doing since. Price came close to it and ran away. First touch, second touch. Let me show you guys. 1 second. This is a touch here. This curve here is a touch. Though it's not a very clear one, so I'll still try and be looking if I'll see one that is clearer. I like this one. First touch, second touch, third touch. I like this one. It means if you even go back in time, we'll see price do that again. Fourth touch, look at it. Fourth touch, price does that or did that rather multiple times. See, every time price came close to the zone, either went out or fell down. Right, so I like this zone. I like this zone. So we have two above price, three below price. Let's pick one more above this whole zone and we'll call it a day. But let's lock this first. Let's pick one above the whole zone entirely. And I'll tell you why we're doing that. Don't worry. Okay. It saves me a lot instead of looking for where's my potential take profits. I already know my potential take profits. First touch, second touch. First touch, second touch. Let's look for a third touch. Okay, see third touch here. Let's look for a fourth touch. See fourth touch. Okay. See fifth touch. Okay. Every time price came here, he ran away. Okay. See sixth touch. Seventh touch. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. It just goes to tell you that this is a good zone. So we have done the first part of the strategy, which is picking the highs and lows. Second part is picking lines. So we pick three below price, three above price, and we'll take because there are six now. We need only four or five, so we'll take one away, but not now. Just hold on. I'll tell you when we are taking that one away. You can be rest assured. I will tell you when we are taking that one away. Don't worry. Okay. By the time we reach the next instruction that says we should pull Fibonacci out, I'll tell you. But let's go back to candles. Um, So we have these zones sitting pretty. Um, and yeah, if you understand how I got these six zones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you understand how I got these six zones, put 777. If you don't understand, put 555. Not that I'm going to explain again, no, but just let me know first. If you understand, put 777. If you don't understand, put 555. If you understand, put 777. If you don't understand, put 555. Okay. 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 Everybody understands. All right, so let's go to the next part of the strategy now. Next part of the strategy says what? On a 1 hour time frame, check to know if there are any clear and significant zones missed in a 4 hour time frame. Check to know if there are any clear or significant zones missed. And there's no one we missed. He says next, draw Fibonacci from swing low to swing high for a buy, swing high to swing low for a sell. Remember, we are now in a bullish trend because price broke above. We are now in a bullish trend because price broke above it. So right now we're looking for what? Buys and not sales. We're looking for buys and not sales. So let's go to 1 hour. Fibonacci from swing high to swing low. I will swing low to swing high rather because we're trying to buy. Okay. Fibonacci from swing low to swing high. Because we're trying to buy obviously. And that Fibonacci right now we're looking at 61.8 into 70.5. Price sat on 61.8 and went up, came back to 61.8 and is going up. So, and then there's something like an order block along that zone. So let's look at the strategy. Let's look at the strategy. The strategy says, let me pick it out now. The strategy says on 15 minutes time frame, spot an ideal order block. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame. He didn't tell us to pick anything yet. He just said we should go to 15 minutes time frame and look for an odd and look for ideal entry. Now, what I like using as entry points is weak rejections. There was a lot of weak rejections here, a lot. So I'll look for something similar. I'll look for something similar here, simply because there was a lot of weak rejections here. So I'll look for something similar. Do you understand? Um. So ideal entry is 61.8 and has weak rejections. Um, and price has sat on 61.8 with weak rejections, and now price is going. So second ideal entry will be that 4 hour zone we picked, and then there's an order block here because the next instruction says if necessary. That's optional. That one that says optional. Optional, identify order blocks, and this is an order block, and it's sitting with this 4 hour zone. So this is my buy zone. Right here is my buy zone. It means that this one is not necessary to me. I can delete it already. Let me show you again what I meant. This is where we are coming from. And I said that down zone is not necessary for me again because price comfortably sat on the what 61.8 Fibonacci and went up, then came back down. And on coming back down, we are picking that 4 hour zone we have, and we are fortunate enough to have 15 minutes order block on that zone. So this is my buy zone. I'll be buying from here. My SL will be below all of this guy. That's 25 pips SL. Now my take profits. I have three take profits. Actually, four. Four take profits. Yep. I have four take profits actually. I have four take profits. Overall is 195 pips. Take profits. My first TP is here. This white line. Remember, I said on the 4 hours we are picking different lines, and I have my reasons. This first line is my take profit 1. Second line is my take profit 2. The green line is my take profit 3, and the white line above is my take profit 4. That's how I trade. Very simple. It's not complex. It's not confusing. It's just very simple. That's just it. That's the only way to describe it. It's just very simple. No unnecessary drama. It's just very simple. Just very simple. No unnecessary drama. And that's how I trade. No unnecessary drama. Um, Let me now identify the take profits. Like, let me write them down so that you guys can understand it easily. Entry. Entry. TP1. TP2. TP3. TP4. So these are the buy zones. We expect price to push up into these zones. SL. So I believe all parameters on the charts. I believe all the parameters are on the charts. So I've shared it with the Telegram guys. I've shared it with the Instagram, with the what's the word now? With the WhatsApp group. All parameters are on the charts. All the parameters are on the charts. So what you guys are going to do is take advantage of the signal I've dropped right now. All the parameters are clearly stated. All the parameters are clearly stated. So it's not anything tedious. It's not anything hard. I give you the entry points. I give you the stop loss. I give you the take profit 1. I give you take profit 2. I've given you take profit 3. And I've given you take profit 4. If you understand how I got all of those take profits and the entry and whatnot, put 111 in the chat box. If you don't understand, put 222 in the chat box. I'm going to wait for 30 seconds. If you understand, put 111 in chat box. If you don't understand, put 222 in the chat box. Let's go, guys. I'm waiting right now. Yeah, so I'm seeing all the 111 in chat box. I'm happy you guys understand how I got it. Now, someone asked, does this strategy works on gold? Does it work on gold? It works on gold, it works on indices, it works on volatility, it works everywhere. I've tried it on V75 and it worked well. I've tried it on NAS 100, it worked well. I've tried it on crypto, that's Bitcoin, it works well. I've tried it on GBUSD, GBJPY, GB anything, it works well. You don't need to put trend line, you don't need to do all those funny things. All you need to do is understand the strategy well and follow through. 4 hours, draw your structure, know your high and your low, then go to the line charts and pick your areas of confluence. Once you pick your areas of confluence, next thing you're going to do is to go to the candle chart on the 1 hour and draw your Fibonacci. You know your entry is 1.8. So if price have touched it and move, you look for a re-entry. That re-entry is on 15 minutes time frame. You look for a good re-entry position, and that's what we just did right now. And we'll ride price all the way up. So wait, price is going to come down into that zone. I can promise you. So don't enter now. Wait for price to come down into the zone. You can set pending order. You can set whatever you want to set. But I'm sure the price is going to come down to that zone. I'm very sure and certain about that. Okay. So now to the main secret. I told you that I want to share a secret, and I like that the number just dropped all of a sudden. The number dropped all of a sudden. We're about 40 something. We're on 20 something now. I like that drop quickly so that not everybody will hear the information I'm about to share. Um, so I'll tell you guys. So I was discussing with them yesterday on the Ghana call, and I'm like, so all through the years I've been trading forex. Um, I sat down to calculate. I'm serious. You know you can check it across all your accounts, all your withdrawals, check all your payouts. I sat down, I calculated everything, and for the very first time, I'm like, oh wow, that means I've done huge numbers. And I'll tell you, I was calculating almost 3 point something million dollars already. I'm serious. Some for investors, some for personal accounts, but it was over $3 million already. I'm like, oh wow. If this number is across the last 4 5 years without me tracking my daily earning, what if I now decide to track my daily profits from Forex? How much will I make? What if I decide to track my daily earnings on Forex? What if I'm more intentional about my trades? How much will I make? That was the question I asked myself. That's what I'm about to do this year. This year, I'm going to be more intentional about my earnings. I'm going to track my earnings because my target this year is to do that. All what I did in 4 years, I want to do it in 1 year. Yeah, I'm serious. All what I did in 4 years, I want to do it in 1 year. And it really touched me in a different light. It touched me in a different light because I never thought I had done those numbers. However, I want to do it in 1 year, but I don't want to do it alone. I want to do it with my VIP students. Do you understand? I want to do it with my what? With my VIP students. So I'm going to be giving them signals every day. Why publicly I'm going to only share signals once a week, which is on Monday. Monday I'll share signal once a week. I'll not share signal again. I'll only be sharing results from our trades. But every other day I'm going to be sharing daily signals to my VIP students. Now, some of you don't have $500 to pay for 12 months VIP. Then pay for 1 month. 1 month is I think $39 or $49. $49. 1 month. 1 month is $49. Pay 1 month. Get the signals, make some profits, then you can pay second month and pay third month and pay 1 year. Pay 1 month. 1 month is $49. I have a question and write yes in the chat box. If you have $49 right now to pay, write YES capital letter in the chat box. If you have, remember my aim is to help my students this year to make more profit than they've made over time. All right. To go at the 1 month fee, 1 month only, $49. 12 months, $500. That's 499, right? So if you have $49 right now, write YES. Do you understand? Write YES. And then someone is saying, I'm watching I'm watching this today's analysis. If it goes well, I'll buy the 1 month course. Now, it's funny how you want to use one trade to judge someone's profitability. Do you understand? It's very funny. Um, so there are some mentors that are flashy, live the flashy life, and show you their Mercedes Benz, Lamborghini, and whatnot, right? And there are some of us that don't post all of those funny things. So I don't think I ever posted my car when I got it. But it's a car that even is top luxury, top luxury. I'm telling you the truth. Some people have seen me drive it around before, maybe, but I mean, those who know me, right? Those who know me. If it's profitability, ask them over the years. There are days where we do crazy pips. Some weeks we do 800 pips in that 1 week. I'm like, nice, nice. All right. I created a strategy. Um, and it's been profitable for how many years now? We launched the strategy in April 2022. Calculated April 2022 to date is 3 years plus. April this year will make it 3 years. Yeah, April this year will make it 3 years. That I've been using this single strategy, we have not changed it. So it means that the strategy works. All right. However, if you're looking forward to the success of this particular trade to judge that, then I think you're keeping your mind in the wrong place. And I don't want students like that. I don't want students that use one trade to judge profitability of a mentor. Personally, I don't like no no no. I don't want students like that. All right. Personally, I don't want students like that. I want students who have overall vision and can see beyond the success of one trade or two trades, right? However, I mean, you can test it yourself. The strategy, if you use this strategy to take 10 trades or 20 trades, you're going to get 85% win ratio. 85. It means you might lose two or three max of three out of all those trades you're taking. You max of three. I'm telling you the truth. Max of three. Max of three. Okay. Um, you can check by yourself. This is midnight yachting. Frank Muller. Frank Muller midnight yachting. A non-profitable trader cannot buy it. A non-profitable trader cannot buy it. I can tell you for a fact. It will buy your Rolex twice. That Rolex that your mentor is posting on Instagram, it will buy it 2 times. This will buy it too. I'm telling you the truth. I know how much I bought. I will not tell you. Just go by yourself and search online. Just go by yourself and uh, and search online. Search Frank Muller Yachins. Let me type it for you so that you can know. Uh, Frank Muller Yachins. So just check it by yourself, okay? Um, Frank Muller Yachins. He says a challenge then I'll test it over 10. If it works, I'll get the 1 year and pay for someone on this chat for a month. You still are keeping your mind in the wrong place. You're still keeping your mind in the wrong place. But no problem, no problem. Do what makes you happy. He says, Boss Dave, I missed class. Just rewatch it. It was recorded, so you can rewatch it. Okay? Sir David, can I find favor on your side to get your username on Telegram to chat it directly? I only need advice from you. I'm okay, please. Send me a message on Telegram now. The Telegram link is showing on your screen right now. Telegram link is showing on your screen right now. So you can just check and send me a DM on Telegram. I'm going to attend to it. No one else attends to. Um, Actually, I have someone that attends to my DM. I just remembered. But most times I try to attend to them myself, both Instagram, Telegram, and others. But WhatsApp, I do it myself. I do WhatsApp myself. But just shoot me a DM on Telegram. So yeah, you can just go and check Frank Muller Yachins. Yeah. It will buy you their Rolex twice, I can bet you. And I'll still have change. I'm telling you. Alright, I'll still have change. It will buy a C300. This will buy C300. I'm serious. Mercedes Benz C300. Yeah. It will buy it. The day I went to buy it, I still have the video on my phone, but I didn't post it. The video is still on my phone. If I check well, that was I think August of last year. The video is still on my phone. I went to pick up the research. I'm like, Jesus, it's a lot of money, but no problem. I'm just trying to get used to the life because so I grew up in a family where I watched my parents, broke and begging for one or two things. We didn't really have comfort, so it was a challenge for me though. It was a challenge, a big challenge you know, having to spend money for a car on a wristwatch. I'm like, yeah, David, what are you doing? But I just had to bone it and okay, do it. But one promise I made to myself is no unnecessary social media paparazzi. Count me out. So I'm not joining people to do that rubbish. Well, it's not rubbish, oh, it's marketing. They get more students, they get more, more perceived value that they're billionaires and whatnot and whatnot. But I do mine by building businesses. So in Abuja, there's business there. In Lagos, there's business here. In Port Harcourt, there's business there. And for me, that is success. All right. Some people get. I'm talking about business on the land or on the floor. There's something on the floor. Structure. Yeah, for me, that's what I do, and that's what I think is success. Some people think success is the lifestyle, and it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's very very okay. But um, you know, I have my own target. I have my own target. I have my own target. It challenged my life the day I joined the academy, and my life changed since then. I make profits daily so far. Yeah, I know you're on the VIP. He makes profit every day from our VIP. Every single day he makes profit. All right, every single day he makes profit. I know he makes profit every single day on the WhatsApp group. And that's what I want to do for all of you guys. 1 month, $49. 1 year, $500. It's cheaper than your mentors. Your mentors online collect more than that. All right, it's cheaper than your mentors. I'm not challenging you with price. I'm only trying to make it easy for you guys to come in. And if you can't afford it, it's okay. Stay on the free, get free signals once every week from me, and that's not a problem. It says close to $10,000 if I'm not wrong. It's more than times three. Oh. I'm very honest with you. It's more than times three. I don't even want to tell you the price, but it's not up to times four, but it's more than times three. I don't even want to tell you the price. I honestly don't want to tell you the price. I honestly don't want to tell you the price. But God is more than times three of that amount you're calling right now. I just don't want to tell you the price. So I'm telling you very honestly, change your mindset. Don't think people that don't show up are not. The fact that you're cooking loudly in your own house does not mean other people are not cooking in their houses. So you are making a mistake. If that's what you're thinking, you're making a mistake. You understand? You're making a mistake. You're making a big mistake, very big mistake. If you think because you're pounding yam loud, some people are not pounding. Some people are using machine to pound. Though. I hope you know. You are doing boom, Boom. Some people have soundproof houses, and you're not hearing anything. And then in your mind, you think they are not pounding or they are not cooking. No, no. Everybody's cooking now. Everybody's cooking. Everybody's cooking. So I tell you, this is more than times three. Not up to times four, but more than times three. And I'm sure that will buy a C300 like twice or three times, if I'm not mistaken. To buy a C300 like three times. Yeah. I first joined the WhatsApp group. If it has not been approved, it means you didn't pay. There's a free group on WhatsApp. There's a paid group. Paid group, we do signals every day, every day, every day. If you didn't pay, then they won't approve it. It makes sense. So you can pay 1 month and then use your profits for 1 month to pay 1 year. Exactly now. Exactly. You're supposed to take care of yourself, self. If you don't even want to pay. I'm serious. Absolutely. Everyone will cook. It says na process differ. Exactly now. It says basically the capital needed is about 170. One no 160, 159 self. It's 159, not 170, 159. $110 for 10 trade funded accounts, $49 for free signals, and you're good. That's $159. Let's say $160. Yeah, with $160, you can assure yourself of massive profits at the end of the month. It's $150, $160 only, less than $200. So it's about where you keeping your mind at. Where you keeping your mind at. But say you would what's the word? You would what is it? $49 is how much naira so we can pay. I don't know. Let me check 1 second. But I know it's about maybe 80 or 70. I'm not sure. 49 times 1,650. $80, 850. 80,000 naira. Sorry, 80,000 naira. Yeah. So in naira, that's 80K. 80K. So if you have that 80K naira, just shoot me a message right now. I'll give you the link where you go and pay. You're not paying to my account. I promise you, you're not paying to my account. I'll give you a link where you go and pay 80,850. But let's say 80K. If you have 80K right now, just shoot me a DM. I can promise you in 1 month, your mind's gonna change, your life's gonna change, everything about it's gonna change. 80,850 only. Okay? It says maybe the guy looking for proof was not in our live chat last week. Yeah, yeah, probably. Because last week's signal was power. I'm telling you, last week was so fast, so fast. Everybody was eating and everybody was eating. He hit take profit 1, 2, 3. I had three take profits. He hit all my three take profits before 2 p.m. I'm like, damn, look at that. Look at that. Before 2 p.m. He hit all take profits. All, all take profits. Before 2 p.m. He hit all take profits. So if you have 80,000 naira, just shoot me a DM. I don't need your money per se. It is for the all, and you see, you're not paying to me. You're paying on the website, and it's going to come to the account. It's not me. But the reason I want you to pay is because that's the only way I can devote my time to you. I'm being real with you. That's the only way I can devote my time to you. Yeah. I've done free signals and free whatnot every single day. For how many years now? But I don't think I want to do that anymore. All my colleagues already know me as the FX did because I don't hide what I do. Yes, now. Yes, now. You see, the guy is not bothering whether they pay salary. He said, he they pay people salary. Wahala. Wahala. He said, thanks, coach. Your heaven sent to humanity. Amazing. Amazing. So just shoot me a message and I'll guide you through. So Emeka that was asking how much is it in naira. I already told you. But let's watch out for the signal. Let's see how it plays out. So we can all make some money today. Let's see how it plays out so we can all make some money today. This is my entry. And price is going to get there. I can promise you it's going to get there. When will it get there? I don't know. But will it get there? Yes, it will get there. So you just be patient and allow price. Be patient and allow price. Be patient and allow price. Okay? So see you at the top. Not from the top. Because you know what he said? The bottom is way too crowded. The bottom is what? Way too crowded. God bless you, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye.